Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are in this world. This is Hajin Lee, and I'll share with you the fractal. If we look at the current price action, we see that this is an ABC expanded, ABC, three wave, another A, B, and a C, which may have a bit more higher high to go. And this would be probably at the 200-day moving average level of, let's say, 9K, 9.1K. So it may not be done yet. In fact, I wanted to go up here. I wanted to do a bit of a wick. A long wick would be very delicious to have at this point, let's say. And this upward wedge formation. Now, this is the January current price action. If we go to the October time frame, we saw something quite similar. We saw an expanded ABC, ABC, except in this case, it was a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 4 and 1 overlapped, so it was a diagonal. But this diagonal was a subwave composition of a wave C. Thereby, it was an ending diagonal. You might say, wait a minute, doesn't diagonals only have 3, 3, 3, 3, 3? No. There are some uncommon occasions when you do get a 5, 3, 5, 3, 5, and 4 and 1 is still allowed to overlap. The fractal nature, I think, is quite uncanny between the two. The upward wedge in the October fractal broke down, and that led to the lower lows below the origin of the upward wedge. If we see the same thing in this case, if we have an ABC and this is going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and maybe one more higher high, a nice wick, a flame out, final flame out would be ideal, but not required, or it could already be complete. What needs to happen is then now the lower trend line of the upward wedge needs to be breached to the downside for the fractal to remain consistent. It may go a bit more sideways and then break down. It may go one more up to generate a flame out wick and then come down. I really don't care which direction it takes or how it takes it. But what is uncanny is a similarity between the two fractals. We cover this type of analysis on hedging.com every day, Saturday, Sundays, as well as holidays. Have a great day.